So this is how you can deposit on Binance with your phone or your PC. Starting off with your phone, you're going to want to log into the Binance app on your phone, and in the homepage, tap on this button called transfer. It's right here on the right. So you're going to want to tap on that, and now you're going to want to tap on deposit crypto, depending on what you want to deposit, either cash or actual crypto. If you want to deposit cash, then of course you can tap on deposit cash over there. But if it's crypto, then tap on crypto. And now choose what you want to deposit. Same goes for cash. You're going to want to choose for a payment method, like for example, PayPal, credit, debit. So once you choose, let's say for the cash one, then of course it's going to ask for your personal details like the card details or the bank details, and then of course it's going to deposit the money into your Binance. But if you want to deposit crypto, then it's a bit more complicated. You will see a warning reminding that the network selected must match the withdrawal address's network, and if it doesn't, it might malfunction. Tap on Got It, and then your deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency will be shown, which is right here. You're going to want to copy it and then paste the address as the destination address when creating the transaction in the wallet you're sending it from. If you want to send it via the web browser, just go to the Binance website, click on Wallet, and then tap on the deposit button right there. Now, you're going to want to choose which crypto to deposit, and then you'll receive a warning. You're gonna tap on Got It, and now just copy the link for your address and then paste it to what you're sending it from. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.